All right, welcome to iFocus Labs. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a course. Now, down the line, I'll create a whole entire course on how to create a course. Inception, I know. But this will just be a quick overview to how to get it live, and you can even have it be able to access from your community. So, that being said, we're going to want to go to memberships. And it's going to be slow as molasses. All right, hit courses, and then we'll go to products, and we'll do create product. And maybe we can, I'll do a quick jump in on that one too, because I thought I added a cover photo. Either way, we'll go over that. Start from scratch. You can import from Kajabi if you want. Now they have some templates for you, or you can just build your own. We'll call this test course. Super simple. Excuse me. All right. Now I have basically. I mean, you can really make a pretty in-depth course here, but you can make different, categories, different lessons, break it down, and then add some additional documents to each with descriptions, etc. So we'll just do, create a category. The category will be test run. All right. And then here you can create a category thumbnail. So that's what I was talking about with, I thought I added it to the scaling your biz one. We'll just put quick start guide. Cool. All right. So that'll upload for the cover photo for your course. You can put a description. All right. Sure, that's where it's going to be. Save. Cool. And also, before I move back to adding each individual lesson, there's a couple things you can do on the side. You can have your course locked until they've reached a certain level or achieve some type of milestone, or you can have it drip out over time, say maybe in an email campaign or something, or maybe like a scheduled 5-day challenge, something like that. A lot of options for you, but right now I'm just going to put published, and then you'll see you'll have to publish each as you go. Pardon me. All right, so let's add our video. And then I mentioned it in one of my earlier videos. I'm not sure if you watched it or not, but I originally filmed these videos in the wrong format. I think it was, MK4 or something like that. But you'll see here, MP4, WebM.mov. They are the accepted file types. So just make sure you know that and configure your recording software, whatever you use, prior to filming, or you're going to have to convert. While I'm right here, I will show you for a second. If by chance you do run into an issue and you have to convert, I asked ChatGPT what he recommended. He said VLC Media Player, and it was pretty easy. It just converted my files right on the spot, and honestly in bulk too. I did like 6 of them, and it converted them all at once. Now they were a little off with the audio to video, but they were tolerable, and now I know moving forward, and now you know too, just in case you run into that issue. All right, upload video. You can drag or drop, or you can pull something up. I'll just go to onboarding, quick start guide, thumbnails, whatever, preview, open, okay, there. Oh, converted, that's the one I converted. Yep. Upload file. Cool. So now this is live. You can put your title, testing lessons, add a description, You can even put hyperlinks in there. For example, I did hyperlinks to a Google Doc, which was a spreadsheet. I mean, excuse me, you do a spreadsheet too, obviously. But I did a checklist. You can do that. And then if you have, say, additional files, PDFs, anything like that, you can attach on the side. Let's try this quick. Didn't I have one? Whatever. I mean, who cares? Just popped it in there, just for shits and gigs. Okay, cool. And then same thing. Then you can upload your image. Just use a test one just to show. Easy enough. I know you get the idea by now, but just in case you don't. Okay, now this is good. This is live. Published. All right, don't need to save. Everything's saved already. And then back to your course. Now, next thing you do, all right, that would say that's like lesson 1. Hit the plus button here on your course. You can add a lesson, subcategory, assessment. Say you hit them with 3 videos and then do a quick test at the end, check their knowledge, and then you can release of the next couple videos that are currently locked. Say you put them locked, put them after an assessment, something like that. There's a lot you can do, but we'll explore that down the line. Just giving you a quick overview. For now, we'll just add lesson. Just say lesson 2, and you'll see how this pops up. Boom, same thing. All right, now this is lesson 2. Here, it's currently a draft. We'll make it publish. And then same thing, not going to waste your time, but go in, upload your video, upload your image. Cool. And you are good to go. So you can do that for as many as you want. You can configure it in a lot of different ways. Like I said, drip it out over time. You can have some lessons locked behind assessments, different subcategories. Say it's an onboarding, overall onboard. I'll probably adjust mine down the line. Say it's an overall onboarding course, and then a subcategory. Maybe you can do like social media subcategory, community subcategory, course creation subcategory, whatever you want, obviously. And now, after you're done putting together your course itself, you can come in, customize it a bit. I think I have a bit of customization, nothing crazy, just my default theme colors. I'll update this. I know it's pretty plain, but like I said, I'm just getting it out. Minimum viable product, get it out crude as hell, and then we'll adjust as we go. Cool. So easy enough. So now we can just apply the theme, save the theme. Boom. We'll go back to the gallery, add different ones if we want. And then this course will be active in your products. So then, if you would like, you can go into your communities. Say we're in HQ or entrepreneurs. Scoopy-doop boopers. And then you'll go into learning, add course, select course, and here's the test course. Now, right now, all members have access, right? You can change the recurring, so you can charge for the course. You can make it free, or you can make it a one-time fee, maybe with a trial. There's a lot you can do there with courses. I've just been putting them free inside my community, and obviously unlimited access. But you're the CEO. You can do whatever you want with your own community, configure it, what works best for you. And my recommendation, try a few different ways out. Try some ways out and see what works best. And I'm sure that your audience will give you the appropriate feedback. But that should be it for now. How to add courses to your community and how to create a quick course. Till next time. See you in the next video.